is very minute. Okay, so you will only put photocell. That photocell will be excited, but it will not detect. So for that purpose, the small light, when small light is there, this light will be amplified on a million times in photo multiplier tube. That's why its name is photo multiplier tube. Okay, because photocell what is doing? Once the light will be there, it will release electron. Okay, so it is doing same. What it is multiplying? Okay, million times, maybe million times. It is multiplying. It is amplifying. Okay. After that, it is going to electron circuit amplifying. Then all etc. is going on. Okay. So this is the basic requirement for spectroscopy, fluorescence spectroscopy. Take it. So here, then see.
Spectroscopy.
Okay, we will go from start. Okay, this is 214. Okay, sulfur dioxide plus this is excited by 214 nanometer. You will have.
HV मतलब क्या है जी? HV?
Yes, new, X new. ये हो गया कितना? सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड, ओके, प्लस एच न्यू. न्यू मीन्स एच मीन्स प्लांक कांस्टेंट. ठीक है? दिस एच मीन्स इज फ्रीक्वेंसी इक्वल टू व्हाट विल हैपन? SO2 excited state. Okay, it will excited. यानी this electrons will shift the position. But that is microsecond, not micro. Maybe micro का पहले कुछ होगा, ठीक है? It will not hold. That is very fast. You can detect. Okay. H nu means this is energy source, excitation. This is H means Planck constant. Nu means frequency. Okay. This is sulfur dioxide and excited state.
HV का क्या होता है?
HV, H nu. See that is a Greek letter. This is the Fasan, you know Fasan.
Light source.
Fasan means
करने के लिए वो
that is Fasan means Fasan means packet of light energy. ठीक है? Light energy का जो ना rest mass zero. Like some different energy source. They have some weight, but light energy of zero rest mass. Okay, rest mass is zero. If you will keep in the rest position, mass will be zero, nothing. Okay, so that is Fasan. So now after this, you see, this is the excited state.
Electrons in.
That is this excited. After excitation, again it come back. Where? To original orbit. Once it is coming to original orbit, sulfur dioxide plus H nu 330. Okay, that means it is releasing 330 nanometer UV lamp. Okay. See, before I said this is the UV lamp, light source. Okay?
Yes, sir.
And this is the
Filter. Optical filter.
optical filter. Okay? And this is the UV source optical filter, this one. Okay? Then this is the lamp as a lens. Diverse lens. And it will scatter the light. It is a parallel beam is coming. The parallel beam it will be diverse. Okay, it will scatter. So that all through this sulfur dioxide will be excited. Okay, if only parallel beams will come, only this area will be excited. The other area will not excited. That means it will give a run reading. Okay, that's why they put here
lens
Yes, diverge lens. It will diverge. Okay. Once it is excited, so as per the fluorescence technique, it will be excited and then it will release some energy. Therefore, different wavelength. That is 330 nanometer wavelength band.
गैस इनलेट किधर है जी? गैस इनलेट.
कौन सा?
ये गैस का इनलेट.
That is sample gas. Okay, sample gas like sample. Okay, then here see. This is your reference. Before I say your light source. Maybe due to the long operation of the this UV lamp. UV lamp may be old, so the performance will be less. Once you calibrate it today, maybe after 1 month, the value will change. So this reference will monitor. Okay, what is the source of light here? Maybe your optical lens become dirty. The light is not passing through properly. So your reference will be, it will detect how much the intensity of the light is available here. Okay. Second thing, here once it radiates the energy, so that energy will filter through this optical filter. Okay. Fluorescence EP optical filter 330 nanometer band. Okay. That light will come here and this is scattered type light. So we need focusing. Okay. And that light will be collected and it will focus one point. Okay. So here we put converge lens and focusing. All parallel beam will be focus one point. Okay. So that focus PMD is there. That PMD photo multiplied tube, that light will be converted as electrical signal. Okay. So everybody clear up to this?
Yes, sir.
समझ गया ना अभी?
Yes, sir.
कोई डाउट है हिंदी में बोला तो बोलो हिंदी में. ठीक है. हैं? समझ गया?
Yes, sir.
अब्दुल?
Yes sir.
सर वो रेफरेंस है सर लाइट इंटेंसिटी का
हाँ.
उस कम हो गया तो वो कैलकुलेशन चेंज हो जाएगा और कल ही चेक करेगा.
This our that software is then manufactured software like this. Okay, they are considering every step. What is your intensity of light by the reference? Okay, and they only compare here also same. Okay.
तो बैकअप करेगा बस.
हाँ?
बैकअप करेगा.
Yes, it will calculate refer to this. Here suppose your intensity of light is less, it will be less excited.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it is always refer. It will take reference from here and here. They will calculate. Suppose you are getting here less light and your source is more. Okay, that means the value is less. Real available sulfur dioxide is less.
सर
वो एक्यूरेसी के लिए
आयो
ये अभी आपने जो बताया ना, अभी गैस इनलेट उधर से शुरू होता ना.
yes, the sample line.
नहीं इस साइड में सैंपल इस साइड में सर.
Sample here.
इधर से शुरू होके
Okay.
पहले ये उधर जाएगा, वो हमारा यूवी लैम्प का वो रेशियो इसमें मिलेगा.
Okay, sample lamp will come here. A sample gas, it will go through. Okay. This is always maintaining 50 degrees Celsius, constant temperature. Okay. Suppose your temperature will vary, so excitement will be vary. Okay. Okay. So there is also temperature sensor is there. It is monitoring the temperature 50 degrees Celsius. Okay. Any doubt? Vishnu? Okay.
Yes.
So what is your excitement state? 214. Okay. 214 nanometer. 214 nanometer. Okay. It will give
330.
SO2 plus S nu 330. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is your sensor assembly. how to open the all sensors like this UV filter, okay, shutter plate. Shutter plate here in our analyzer there is arrangement shutter plate. Okay, what is the purpose of shutter plate? Every time, every 1 or 2 hours, as per your configuration, it will give the black light. Black light means the shutter will close. Okay, in that condition, that means there is no light. In that condition, what is the output of your PMP? Okay, in that condition, what is the output of the PMP? So it will be every 2 hours or every 1 hour, whatever you configure, it will be calculate zero condition, because these are all compensation required to calculate the accurate value. Okay. For example, there is no light, but your UV, sorry, your PMT is giving some output. That is wrong reading. Okay. To compensate these values, they put the one shutter door, every 2 hours it is closed and it will calculate the dark lamp. Okay, there is coming in a dark lamp. नियाज के लिए क्या करें? शुरू से ये करें नियाज? अभी से तो बात नहीं पढ़ाएंगे, ठीक है? क्या सर? Okay, this is your UV lamp. Okay, this is very costly because this is manufactured in America. This is I think near about to 10,000 dirham something, one UV lamp. Okay, this is the purpose of optical lens. Before I tell you, this is the divergent lens. Okay, here your UV lamp, and here your filter, and here your lens. Otherwise, what will the light will be only parallel beam will be there. Other parts will be not excited. Okay, that's why they put here divergent lens. Okay, so the light will scatter like this. Okay, and here see, this is a convergent lens, and the light, parallel light beam will focus on point, so that even small light it can detect. This is the PMT, photo multiplier tube. Okay, so what is the purpose of photo multiplier tube? To change the convert the light signal to electrical signal. Okay, and that is photo. That is the purpose of photodiode or photo any sensing material. What is the PMT? Multiplier. Yani that is multiplying, yani amplifying the signal. Okay, so you will see the photo multiplier tube different. There is a 8 pins is there. Okay, the 8 pin is they are connected to different voltage. Okay, that is, if you know valve, electronic valves, how the pentode, diode, tetrode, how it is working, the same principle is working. Okay, so this is the light coming. Okay, here a photo. This photo is releasing electrons. This electron is excited because this is positive charge. Okay, positive bias. Once it will, then again it is excited by, it is multiplied, then like this. See, now one beam how it is amplifying. So that's why the name is photo multiplier tube. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is your PMT. This one. Okay. Once you will open, this is your PMT. These are these pins. Okay. One pin is for signal output, others are for biasing voltage. Okay. All are different. Yani, suppose one is 10, another 20, 30, 40, 60 like this. Okay. And this is TC temperature. Okay, this is because this is once the light will be on the PMT, the PMT will be any temperature too much, it will become hot. So the cooling system is required to cool down the PMT. Otherwise, PMT will fail. Okay. For that purpose, they put one here. This is a semiconductor cooling device. Okay. Semiconductor
Cooling device.
The semiconductor cooling device control through. There is a temperature sensor also, and it is control. Okay. It is always maintain 8 degree Celsius. It should not more than 8. 8 plus minus I think 2. 0.2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is the semiconductor
cooling device.
cooling system. Okay, this is the heat exchanger. Once temperature high, it will allow the temperature. When temperature low, it will not allow. Okay. Instead of this, we can put one only this what you can say heat sink. But if you will put the heat sink, the temperature will be not controlled. It may be sometimes more, it may be sometimes less. So for that purpose, they put one semiconductor temperature controlling system. Okay, it will allow or it depend upon the temperature of the PMT. Okay, for that purpose, always when you will be taking the parameters, you have to check what is the temperature of the PMT. That is most important. Okay, once it exceeds 8 degrees Celsius, that means there is some abnormality. Okay, we will go for our pneumatic system and how it is taking the sample. Okay, how it is scrub out and what are our requirement. Okay, you know we are measuring the S2S. Okay, but our S2S is converted to sulfur dioxide, then it is measuring. So if in your sample, if sulfur dioxide will be there, what will happen?
The reading will be more.
Reading will be more, so it will be affect your measurement. So for that purpose, we are putting one scrubber, and there is some chemical in there. That chemical is scrub out the sulfur dioxide. Okay. Then that is one here. One filter is there is a particle filter. Every week we are checking a particle filter.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is to filter out the all dust. Okay. Then kicker. What is the purpose of kicker? Kicker means it will kick out the that is a, you know what is photo quenching? Photo quenching पता है? Photo quenching, you know? What is technology? Photo quenching means it will extinguish the light. Okay? Like we have now using optical DO.
Yes, sir.
Optical DO measurement was an optical DO measurement. Like before we have one portable optical DO probe.
Oh.
That is blue lamp.
Yes, sir.
What is this? The same. Okay, there is a blue lamp inside, and the oxygen molecule will pass through the membrane. Once oxygen molecule will be there, it will be quenching the photo. That is, light will be there, will extinguish. Okay, they will extinguish the light. The photo quenching means the same. Okay, because our requirement is fluorescence. Okay, suppose any molecule is there, that molecule will be
Affected.
and it will be quench that excited light. So our measurement will be done. Okay, so for that purpose, like some hydrocarbons with any bigger series, hydrocarbon like what is the name, I don't know. Okay, if that hydrocarbon, if that gas will become along with the air, okay, so that gas will be do this effect, photo quenching effect, and it will be extinguish the lamp. Okay,
Yes.
So if it will extinguish the lamp, what you will not get any lamp. Even if you have this SPS gas, what your detector is not detecting anything due to this effect. Okay. For that purpose, they put one kicker. Kicker means this is very like membrane type, very soft tube, and it is going along with one hard tube. Okay. The sample will go through this membrane, and on the outside there is suction. Okay. Any that hydrocarbon is there, that hydrocarbon will filter out through this kicker. So that's why this name is kicker. It will kick out all the hydrocarbons. Okay. So that it will not disturb the measurements. Okay. Then it is going cell, measuring cell. Okay. Then we have your pressure transducer and flow transducer. Pressure is the most important. It will be measure how much pressure and it will give compensation. Then we have here orifice and here pump. Because we are always not working in the pressurized, we are working in suction principle. Okay? It is the pump will suck the sample.
Yes, sir.
It will not pressurize the sample. It will suck the sample. Okay? Without it? समझ गया ना? What is the use of kicker?
Yes, sir.
Okay, due to the photo pinching effect, some molecule will disturb the measurement. That's why they put the kicker. They will kick out the hydrocarbons. Clear? Okay. This is our requirement because we have here 0 and S1 auto calibration system. Okay. Here we have solenoid valve. Okay. This solenoid valve will interchange as per the requirement 0 or S1 whatever. Okay. Yeah, shooting चला है क्या?
Shooting, sir.
Only not done, sir.
Okay. You see, this is block diagram.
सही चल रहा है ना उसमें.
Okay, this is the kicker. Hydrocarbon scrubber. You can call it as a hydrocarbon scrubber or kicker. Okay, the same. Okay. This is a sample pressure transducer. This is a flow transducer. This is a sample filter, particular filter. This is your UV lamp. This is a sample chamber. Okay, this is your pump. This is the manifold and this is the orifice. Okay. One thing is not available, that is a sulfur dioxide scrubber, because this is a diagram for SO2. Once you are measuring the SO2, no need that scrubber. Once you are measuring the H2S, you need sulfur dioxide scrubber. Okay? That's why it is not available here. Okay, this is how to remove or how to fix the filter, particular filter. Every week you are doing about this. Okay, this is what is this?
Kickers.
Kicker or hydrocarbon scrubber, you can say. Okay, this is very sensitive part and very costly also. So once you are giving the any you are connecting the gas cylinder, sample gas or any standard gas, so you should be very careful. Once you give the little bit more pressure, it will damage the kicker. One time it will happen. Okay, the kicker damage. Because here, you know, this is outer tube and this is inner tube. This inner tube is very sensitive, very thin. Okay. Any pressure will be more than like your pressure may be 0.1 bar, it will damage this. Okay. So when you are connecting, very careful for this. Pneumatic sensor board, you know, we have the flow meter and we have the pressure measurement. This is your orifice assembly. This is your pre-amplifier board. Pre-amplifier means your PMT. Okay, the PMT signal is amplified by this board. Okay, here we have setting. We have the gain control. We have the arrangement to this anode voltage. So these are potentiometer for setting. Okay. These are maintenance. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If this problem will persist, what will do? Noise UV lamp, replace UV lamp or UV detectors. Okay. Dirty reaction cells, what will do? These are conditions. This is your, okay, how the electronics are connected, electronics are all, okay, the PMT and a PMT temperature sensor, all are both are connected here, pre-amplifier board, okay. Then here also another temperature controller, okay. Then PMT temperature here, all are connected to where is the motherboard.
The little but
Yeah.
mother.
This is motherboard,
Yes, sir.
all are going, all signals, feedbacks are going to motherboard. Okay. And here we have also CPU, we have also analog input output, we have also digital input output. Okay. Relay boards, relay will drive the pumps, relay will drive the temperature. Okay. There is a temperature converter now already. Okay. Reaction cell, shutter control, every 2 hours the shutter is closing. Okay. This is the IGS valve open. Then you have the automatic 0 at span calibration, the valve will be operated. Okay. These are all arrangements.
सर ऑटोमेटिक स्पैन के लिए कैलिब्रेशन के लिए वो गैस कैसे
There is a provision, but here we have no. There is a, we have that solenoid valve there, everything is there, but we need other requirements. Okay. Because this is a low, then our measurement range is ppb. Okay. So once we are bringing us cylinders, okay, 40 ppb, but this is not correct way. You know what is the principle of gas theory? Suppose you are diluting the gas, okay, suppose you are mixing H2S, suppose 40 ppm with the nitrogen or with the air. So what will happen? The trace gas means low concentration gas. This gas will be not mixed properly with this. So this gas will be maybe they will be accumulated on the surface of the cylinder. Okay, they may be react with the cylinder. So lastly what will happen? You will not get the correct mixture. For that purpose, they make one design. You have one high pressure cylinder, like not high pressure, high concentration. Maybe 500 ppm or maybe 10 ppm. Okay, they will immediately dilute, and that dilute will be fit to the analyzer immediately. Okay, so that what will happen? You are adding the diluter. There is a calculation, there is a flow meter, okay, and it is measuring both side flow. It taking from the like 10 ppm and it is mixing with 0 air. Okay, so the calculation and this they are mixing together and sending to analyzer. But if you will store in a cylinder the same mixture, which is pressurized, what will happen? It will react with the cylinder, or it may be settle on the surface of the cylinder. ठीक है? जैसे होता है ना, अगर दो ग्रुप होता है, एक ग्रुप कमजोर होता है तो दूसरा ग्रुप जो कमजोर होता है वो मॉलिक्यूल के साथ फाइटिंग नहीं कर पाता है, ठीक है? That molecule will be settled one side. Same way, ठीक है? That's why every time when you are doing the calibration, we are facing the problem. ठीक है?
Yes.
समझ गया? कोई डाउट? Anybody?
No, sir.
Any doubt? You have many doubts. You know this is measuring S2S, hydrogen sulfide gas in ppb. Okay, ppb means part per billion. ठीक है, not million, part per billion. ppb. So it is measuring which principle? This is a fluorescence spectroscopy. Okay, and if fluorescence technique and analyzing in spectrum, that is analyze spectrum analyzing. Okay, fluorescence means, like for example, is the tube light, the fluorescence. How do you work in the tube light? The fluorescent technology. Okay, fluorescence means the molecule or atom of any element when you are exciting by any light source or any electromagnetic radiation. So that electron will be observe the light, observe the energy, and it will be excited. Once it will be excited, it is jump to the upper orbit. Okay, but it will not stable that orbit. It will again come down. Once it will again come down to original orbit, so it will radiate some energy. Okay, that energy is maybe visible source, maybe invisible source, but that is the technique of fluorescence. Okay. So here, this analyzer is measuring the sulfur dioxide gas, but our requirement is S2S. Okay. So for that purpose, we add two items. One is, if you have any doubt, call this number.
Again, sir?
Okay. If you have any doubt, just call below this number.
Thank you, sir.